Assalamu alaikum, everybody, and welcome to the third number class of intermediate vocabulary learning. And I love to mention that this is our class number 3. Okay. And today we are going to learn 20 more intermediate vocabulary and their pronunciation and how we can use the vocabs through make story making and then how to make sentences with all the vocabularies, right? So let's get started, everyone. Okay, so we are back once again, and this is, you can see here, this is the part one and class number 3. Okay, its title is the Intermediate Vocabulary Learning with Shimon, So let's start, everyone. Yes, this is our class today, and our targeted vocabularies are number 1 is alien, right? Alien, not alien, alien. Alien, among, chart, cloud, comprehend, describe, ever, fail, and friendly. Okay. So great, instead, library, planet, report, several, solve, suddenly, suppose, universe, view. Okay. So I pronounced all the words here, all the vocabs. So let's see, how can I use the vocab in a sentence? I mean, different kind of sentences. Okay. So individual meaning and usage. Okay. And pronunciation as well. So number 1 is alien, right? Alien. So an alien is a creature from a different world, They live in another world, not in this world where we live, right? আমরা যেখানে বাস করি তারা সেখানে বাস করে না. The alien came in peace. This is the sentence, and among, sound, among. Okay. If you are among certain things, they are all around you. Okay. So চারদিকে সবকিছু থাকা কিংবা among মানে হচ্ছে অনেক কিছুর মধ্যেই এক, কেমন? There was a red apple among the green ones. অনেকগুলোর মধ্যে হচ্ছে একটা, কেমন? যে গ্রিন কালার যে অ্যাপলস গুলো আছে সেখানে একটা লাল এরকম। হ্যাঁ, অনেক কিছুর মধ্যে একটি। Church, okay? Church. Church here, ch sound, sound, r sound, and t sound. Chart. Okay. A chart is a list of information. We used a chart to see how we had improved. Okay. But you can make a chart how many vocabularies you are learning and how many sentences you are making in a day or day by day. Okay. So let's make a chart. And cloud. Next one is cloud. A cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. Yeah. The sky was filled with white clouds. Okay. So comprehend. Okay. Comprehend. To comprehend something is to understand it. Henry could not comprehend the message. Okay. Comprehend. সহজ সরল কিংবা comprehend. To understand it. Okay. বোঝা কি? Describe. To describe is to say or write what someone or something is like. Description. I mean, if you are giving a description, that is describe. That means you are describing. Okay. Describe. So ever means at any time. Okay. Going skiing last winter was the most fun I've ever had. আমার এই সারা জীবনে যে দারুণ একটা ঘটনা ঘটেছে সেটা হচ্ছে এটা। ওকে, the wonderful things happened ever to me. Okay, and next one is fail. To fail means you do not succeed in what you try to do. You know, since he failed to get the job, he was sad. So fail, that means you know better than me. What is fail, right? So there is a proverb, and that is failure is the pillar of success, right? So failure is the pillar of success. And if you want to be success, then please fail, fail, fail. That is a wonderful feeling, you know. So let's move on to the next. And next one is maybe, yes, this one is friendly. Friendly, okay? Friendly. Friendly is behaving in a pleasant, kind way towards someone. যে কারো সাথে খুব সুন্দর করে বন্ধুত্বপূর্ণ বন্ধুসুলভ ভাবে আচরণ করা. The friendly animals came up to the girl. Oh my God. Okay. Because girls loves to have pets, you know. So that's why the friendly animals came up to the girl. Grade. Okay. A grade is a score or mark given to someone's work. ফলাফল কিংবা level. I managed to get good grades on my report card. And instead, instead, instead means in place of, okay? Instead মানে পরিবর্তে, একটার পরিবর্তে. He ate the carrot instead of the ice cream. what what a kind of instead, okay? So library. Next one is the library. So library is a place where you go and read books. There are a lot of books in the library, okay? And the library at school is full of books. You know, libraries of university is full of books, and there are a lot of seats, okay? And the planet. A planet is a large round thing in space, okay? So what is space? Just read it. Read any single article about space, okay? You can get all the points. What is space? And Saturn is the planet with the ring around it. Okay. So ঘোড়া আর কি, ring, ঘোড়া. Report. Report is a something students write for school. Okay, report writing, assignment writing, you know, or a research report. I mean, final result. Okay, any kind of report you can call it report. Karen had trouble writing her report, and okay, trouble প্রবলেমে পড়েছে আর কি, যে প্রবলেম পড়েছিল. And next one is several. Several is more than two, but not many. Okay, more than two, but not many. It's called several. He had to read several books for class, and also we have to read several books for our semester or for our years. Okay, so solve. Next word is solve. To solve something is to find an answer to it. Okay. Solve, that means completely solved. Okay. That means you got a solution. Okay. So all the students could easily solve the math problem. Okay. And suddenly. Okay. Suddenly. Suddenly. Okay. If something happens suddenly, it happens quickly and unexpectedly, you know. I was suddenly surprised by the cake my friends brought me, okay, on my birthday or on my whatever day it is. Suppose, right? To suppose is to guess, you know, guess or suppose or say so or like this. I suppose I should go home now. So, universe. Universe. The universe is the known or supposed objects in space. Also, space here comes here, and the universe is so large that it cannot be measured. You know, measured, that means you couldn't get any measurement. That is called space. Oh my God. I mean, universe. So, last one is view. To view is to look at something and look at, you know, side of. Okay. Michael likes to view himself in the mirror. Okay. Michael loves to see or like to see or likes to view himself in the mirror. Okay. So thank you. And let's go to the next. And here we can see some we can see a story where we can also we are gonna get all the vocabs in this story together, okay? And just try to read the story aloud and also try to make a story like this one, but not this one, another different kind of story, okay? So the report. Today's story title is Report. Lee sat among the books at the library and thought about his group project. They had to turn it in soon, but he hadn't even started his part. Jack and Claire were in his group. They had worked hard. They were also very smart, and Lee didn't want them to get a bad grade. Jack did the report. He wrote a lot of very good sentences and described things with great adjectives. Claire drew a nice map of the stars. Now Lee needed to do his part of the project. Well, I suppose I need to start my model, Lee thought. Making a model of a planet was really hard. Lee tried to read several books, but he couldn't comprehend any of the charts. We're going to fail because of me, Lee said. He put his head down on the table and said, I wish I could see a planet instead of having to read about it. So suddenly there was a bright light. Lee was pulled from his chair through the roof and right into a strange ship. Hello, kid, said an alien. Did you ask for help? Lee told the friendly alien all about his project. The alien agreed to help Lee solve his problem. First, we'll fly through space on view to the universe. Space to view the universe. Then I can help you make a model of my planet. Soon they were going through the clouds. They passed the moon. Then they viewed Mars. Lee was very excited. Instead of a bad grade, his group would have the best project ever. It's time to go home, the alien finally said. On the way back, he helped Lee make a model of the planet Mars. Soon they were on Earth. Thanks, Lee said. My model will be awesome. Then he took his model and said goodbye to his new friend. So, who was the friend of Lee? Mr. Alien. Okay. So, alien from where? From another world. And from another world from where? Another world from the space or universe. Okay. And that's all about the story. And please try to read the story aloud and practice it. Also, make your own story. That would be better for your practice. Okay. And, so there is nothing bypass without practice. There is nothing effective way but practice. There is no extra options but practice to improve everything. Okay. So practice, practice, and practice. That must work. And let's jump to the next slide here. The next slide here is yes, as usual, and that is thank you all for patience hearing and watching this video. Please keep practicing. And if you think that I will be a bit helpful to you, please contact me through this number or through this WhatsApp or anything else. You can call me also. So just keep practicing, guys. Okay. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.